Okay, so we are in the process of packing for tomorrow trek through the Himalayas there. We're doing the Annapurna Circuit, and even though this is my first time, my girlfriend has done this before, this being the Annapurna trek. And I'm sorry, I said the Annapurna trek. It's the Annapurna Circuit. And this is everything that you need. At least, ooh, there's a bee. Wait, ooh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, so this is us. Thank you. Bye now. Wait, the bee is still here. Good work. Okay, so this is everything you need. Pretty much what's in this bag that we're gonna give to right now is our sleeping bags. Is that what's in there?
Yeah.
Like in the bottom?
Yeah.
Will you flip it around for me? Just really quickly, and then, like, she's in a packing mode. And I don't want to mess up. So it's in the bottom. But all the other stuff that we're going to use while we're out trekking, my girlfriend's, she's bringing books because it makes her happy to read. Poles. Baby, will you read off some of this stuff that's here?
Just show my list if you want.
I take that as a no, folks.
You want me to read it off?
We're not gonna
We got base layer bottoms, base layer tops, fleece, rain pants, rain jacket, 2 shirts.
Wait, hold on, you're killing me here. 2 shirts, yeah.
2 wool socks,
Yeah.
1 light pair of socks,
Like,
3 underwears, headlamp, winter gloves, light gloves, hiking pants, sports bras if you're a lady. Sandals for the tea house, shorts for the tea house, hairbrush if you have long hair, water bottle, towel,
hold on. Okay.
beanie, winter face mask.
Hey, baby, you're going way too quick.
Baby, I'm jazzed.
That means she's ready to pack. Okay, there's lip balm.
Lip balm with SPFs, because
Okay.
otherwise your lips will burn. I bring this because I get cold sores, typically in cold weather. Toothbrush, trekking poles, a buff, a rain fly.
I want to say we're back up. I had no idea what this was.
A buff.
A buff. I've never used it before.
A hat.
Rainfly. Yeah, you need a hat.
Hat.
Right.
Polarized sunglasses so that the days that we're hiking on snow, there won't be a glare.
Mm-hmm.
I wear contacts. So I have my solution, my contacts, and backups.
Money. Why do we have bags and bags
bills,
and bags of money? Why?
So this one is all the small bills because, like, especially when you get higher up, they usually don't have change. So you do small bills. Otherwise, they'll just charge you whatever you have. And then these are all the thousands. So once we leave tomorrow, there's no ATMs until we come back here to Pokhara. So we have to have all of our money ahead of time. They don't take credit card. They don't take debit card. They only take cash. And there's
Nepalese
no ATMs.
money.
Yeah, Nepalese money.
Okay. I had no idea, and
then-
so this is helpful. Okay. Your books to
No,
read, keep you entertained.
Yeah.
Puzzles.
2 books, and when I'm done reading, then I'll just leave that in the tea house or give to another trucker so that it lightens our load.
Okay.
I like to do puzzle books. This is just entertainment because a lot of time we'll spend in the tea house. And then a notebook so that I can journal and keep track of all of our expenses in case my phone dies.
I'm actually bringing a power bank. I purchased a power
so
bank for
besides
this.
that, and then this is all his version of
Yeah,
everything.
go through my version. What's
It's
the?
the exact same.
I know, no, it's not. It's different. The colors are
2
special.
Oh God. 2 base layer shirts, 2 base layer pants, a fleece, 2 wool socks, 1 light socks.
Wait, where's the light socks?
So this is everything we're gonna wear tomorrow when we start trekking, which we won't pack it in there.
Okay.
So your light socks,
Yeah.
a pair of shorts, 1 shirt, your hiking boots, your polarized sunglasses, your rain gear, and a hat.
It's all that. It's everything
And your
that's here. I'm
underwear.
gonna wear tomorrow. Okay.
Well, we'll bring our rain gear and our backpacks. That way, if it ever rains, immediately covered.
This is our bag. This is my backpack here.
Yeah, just a little day pack.
It's a little day bag.
Yeah.
Backpack. Okay.
3 underwears, headlamp, hiking pants. He also has a towel.
Yeah.
And his own chapstick with SPF. My lips are sensitive. I got the special stuff. I can't share that.
We tried.
Brush.
Toothbrush?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sandals for the tea house.
Yeah, I got those sandals in Decathlon for $18 after spending like $40 on some Adidas sandal. The
Same
reason
thing.
sandals
Just without-
way better. It's not the same thing. It's way better. These are way better for $18. I should have just listened
This
to my
one?
girlfriend, so I'm gonna give you props.
It just doesn't have a name brand on it. That's all the
It's
difference.
way
You pay
better.
$25 extra for.
I
a
wear
little
these
stamp.
sandals. So any sandals, $18.
So your second shirt,
Okay.
your beanie, and then your winter face mask.
Mhm.
Then besides that is just like our. Well, here's some of the stuff.
Yeah. Oh, wet wipes. Yeah, we're gonna take some wet wipes.
Our laundry detergent. So we'll do our laundry by hand each day.
Yeah.
He'll bring his e-cig for sanity.
Sad thing. True that.
Let's see. We'll take it all out of these
Containers.
containers to save on weight and space. Haven't done it yet, but Tiger Balm for our sore muscles. A little bit of sunscreen. He needs bug spray because they
I
just
do.
like his
Just
chocolatey
some.
skin.
That's what it is.
I'm
It
too
has to be
vanilla
it.
for them. They're
Too
like, yeah,
vanilla.
kind of vanilla. I need that chocolate.
Okay.
Then electrical tape just to fix anything that breaks until we get to the next tree house.
Yeah.
Tree house.
Tea house.
Toilet paper, because they do have toilets, but they don't provide toilet paper.
They do provide water. You could use it at one hand.
You could.
Yeah.
Then he has anti-cold tablets, because, you know, he's a Jamaican boy. He's
Okay,
got
what
that.
is that? Because like for someone
I
like
don't
myself,
know.
that
I have never
just-
even heard of them. He was the one who told
I
me
will
about
explain
them.
it really quickly. Hey, when my body gets really, really cold,
They
like
cold the
internally,
bone.
so I've actually taken these tablets in the past, and they warm me up from inside.
I've
So,
never even heard of it before.
haha.
Then our iodine tablets. So this is what we will put in our water to treat it. So you put 1 in per liter, and in 30 minutes it's purified.
And don't forget my body wash. Is that what that is?
Yeah, body wash. Because normally, if I wasn't going with him, I'd just bring a bar of soap. But he can be a stinky kid sometimes.
I
He's
can-
the extra
I'm
fragrance.
super stinky. Listen,
So we have to bring body wash.
you got that
for
man
him.
musk,
Oh, he does.
athletic man musk.
Yeah, toothpaste.
Okay, we got Colgate. We actually paid like $50, 50 cents.
50 cents for this thing.
In here in Pokhara. That's cool. Hey, don't forget my. Oh, you gotta get
boom,
condoms. Boom, boom. You know. And what I'm also bringing with me is, of course, my body strap for my camera.
Yeah. Oh, your power bank. will be
Yeah,
on that.
yeah. Let me see that. Not taking my laptop, of course. joke. Just joking.
Grid. Power
Yeah,
bank
gotta.
phone.
Yeah,
That'll go in your own daytime.
yeah. And
Then I'm not done.
okay.
Wet wipes in
Yeah.
case sometimes it's just too cold to shower, so we'll just
Really? Like
do
it
a
gets.
redneck wash.
Okay. Some more stuff.
We are bringing.
Oh
some,
yeah, let's see him. Pull them out.
Granola bars. We'll just have 1 a day. Now you don't have to bring this because there's tea houses about every hour or two, but it'll be a nice little change up, and it's pretty light. So then.
Oh, there's more stuff. Oh yeah, forget about that.
Because, again, he's a stinky kid. I would not bring it if I was just going by myself. He's a stinky kid, so we have Unstoppables for our laundry. And we'll bring a survival blanket in case shit happens.
Shit gets real.
Yeah.
My sister has already called me. One of my sisters just warned me. Like, first she asked me, "What the hell am I doing? Why am I doing it? Am I going through a midlife crisis?" I was like, "This, I'm
Now, this,
good." But
you'll
anyhow,
never
back
see-
to this.
You won't see this on anybody else's packing list. But last time I did this, when we do our laundry, there's no clothespins on the line, so I'd hang it up, and then, you know, it gets windy in the mountains, and my
Right.
clothes would be like blown across their yard. So we are going to bring some clothing pins so that doesn't happen again.
Okay.
And then
And so that is why it's always good to go with someone that's seasoned, has done this before.
then we'll just bring these little things of shampoo. Again, it saves on space and weight.
Mm-hmm. And she knows all of these things that I probably would have overlooked.
Backup batteries for our headlamps.
Oh yeah, your headlamp. Where's my headlamp?
I already showed it.
Okay, yeah, my headlamp is somewhere here.
Then one of our 2 permits. My hands are shaking.
Oh, that's all right. Thanks, son.
One of 2 permits, and this, if this wasn't COVID, these would have been green because we'd be called fit hikers. It means free independent trekkers. But because of COVID, they force you to go through an agency now, which is the only reason why we have a porter.
Thank God!
I would not have done a porter.
I am so happy. I'm very happy.
Because of COVID, you are required to go through an agency and have someone from an agency with you. So we chose a porter, not a guide. I don't need a guide. I've done it before.
I need a guide. I've never done this before.
You don't need a guide.
I don't want to get lost in a foreign country. It's hard for me to get on the news.
You don't need a guide. It's so well marked, and people along the way locals will be like, you got to go over there. And you're like, okay, cool, thanks. And then I use this. This is my guide. This is like super, super detailed. It tells you like all the deviations you can take, all the side treks along the route you can take, and it even breaks it down to how far between each villages and how long it'll take you to trek, and it kind of puts out a itinerary for you. So this is what I use as a guide. Oh shit, and here's our other permits. Now these will look the same no matter if you go by yourself or with an agency. But this is the Annapurna Circuit permit. So all the different treks in Nepal will require different things, like Everest Base Camp will require a different kind of permit, and I actually don't think they do this other one. So you just gotta research that.
All right.
Okay,
that's
what we're taking.
That's it?
Yeah.
Don't forget your cash. It's important. And by the way, you got to take this out over a period of time.
Yeah, there's limits on.
There's a limit on how much you can actually withdraw per day or from the ATM. We did that while we were still we did our withdrawals over a course of 2 weeks, hon?
Yeah.
While we were still in Kathmandu. And
you get small bills.
Yeah, and don't really think you can just go into the bank and have
No.
no.
You can.
Yeah,
You gotta
can.
set up ahead of time. That's
Okay. All right, gotta
pulled all the money
schedule
out
it.
and went to a bank and scheduled it to come back the next day and get all of it in small bills.
Okay. So here's what we're doing. We're packing everything as much as we can. We can get into. We have a total of 21 kilos that we can. The porter will carry, and we're trying to get as much into my backpack as possible. We're gonna max out, and whatever is left over, we'll either take. We'll take your bag. Hopefully, we won't need to. We won't need to. But yeah, this is a packing list for the Annapurna Circuit here in Nepal. All right. Ladies, don't forget to hit the notification bell, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Unfiltered shit coming. I'm leaving tomorrow at 5 in the morning. One love. Be safe. Safe travels, of course. Later. Hey.
What? Bye.
So we just arrived at the bus park. Took a taxi from our hotel to the bus park. And now we're waiting for our bus to arrive. It's not scheduled to arrive until 6:30. It's a little bit chilly. That's probably why you can see I'm in a long sleeve shirt. And I can actually see the mountains from here. So if you're going to be hiking the Annapurna Circuit for the first time like myself, more than likely, well, it depends on the time of the year, but it's a little bit chilly right now. Nothing to complain about. We're actually also waiting for our porter to arrive as well. I guess we beat him here. So that's our bag over there to my right, your left. Hey, hi. What's up? Anyhow, I'm excited to go off grid for 30 days to spend time. I am. This morning was different. I had a crap first, and now that's out of me. I can focus on other things. Alright, so bear with me. I'm gonna be mic'd up, man. I'm gonna say some stuff, man. I'm probably gonna curse. Nah, I don't know. I feel really good though. Okay. Okay, here we go.